there is rarely someone to blame, and we are seeing very high levels of rainfall, luckily nowhere near as high as last year. But it is about learning, and that's why, for example, I want Rutland County Council to hurry up and publish their Section 19 review into what happened last year. They still haven't published it. There are individual things we can do. So, for example, in villages like Whissendine, they need a depth gauge so that cars aren't driving into roads that are much deeper and far more flooded than they realised. Gretford, the Environment Agency, are there looking at the gauge. It did behave much better this year, but actually there are improvements that could still be made. So it is difficult. There is never one person to blame when it comes to flooding, but we do need to do more, and that's why I will keep working on this.